You're a superhero.
So there are many ways to solve this problem, and if your internet is slow then this problem may occur, and if your internet is fine and still having this problem then watch the full video. So the first step is you need to go on phone setting. So after that you need to go on application. So after that you need to search for Instagram application. So let me search it, Instagram. So click on it and you need to go on storage, then simply click on clear cache. If you know your Instagram password then you can do clear the data. So tap on force stop. So I think your problem is already fixed now. We have another way also. If your problem is not fixed then you need to go on Play Store and search for Instagram. So you can uninstall the application first and reinstall it. So sometime reinstallation also help you. So try it once by reinstalling, and after reinstallation your problem is not fixed yet, then you should join a beta version. So beta version is the last method to solve this problem. So click on join, you will join a beta version. So as a bonus I will tell you an alternative way, and that is you need to go on Play Store and search for Instagram Lite. So after that you need to download it. It's a clone version of Instagram, so feel free to use it. So this was for today. Thanks for watching.